Whether you're operating large corporate LANs or simple peer-to-peer connections, being confident in the integrity of your network is paramount. A cable tester is an electronic device used to verify the electrical connections in a signal cable or other wired assembly. These testers will assist any level of a technician in checking for broken USB cables, mapping out a single copper run, or verifying an entire fiber backbone. So if you're looking for one, we can help you with some of the best in the business. Check out our new video to get more details about the latest products on the market. The Fluke Networks ATone Pro 200 Toner and Probe Kit offers an excellent vision for locating cables more effectively at patch panels, switches, termination blocks, or hidden within bundles. It is the first network cable toner and probe to offer digital and analog signaling all in one network toner and probe. Also, it is equipped with the most powerful cable location technologies for any work environment. You can use digital mode to trace and locate data cabling safely and effectively on active networks. Besides, the analog mode to isolate individual wire pairs and trace voice, audio, and video cabling. It gives you superior vision for locating cables hidden in floors, ceilings, walls, and in bundles. Moreover, its breakthrough digital technology makes it the first tool to tone and trace safely and effectively on active networks. It features a cable map capability like that of a cable tester that identifies common cable miswires in twisted pair cabling. It has LED lights and tones which indicate miswires, such as opens, shorts, or reverse pairs. The Fluke Networks MT8-8200-49A cable tester quickly and easily tests twisted pair cabling, giving you visibility of opens, shorts, and crossed, reversed, and split pairs. Just push the test button and MicroMapper will automatically scan all wire pairs for any existing faults in your cable. It has a built-in tone generator which works with the ATone Pro probe or any other analog probe, allowing you to trace a wire through walls, floors, and ceilings. It offers an auto sleep mode that decreases battery consumption when not in use. In the cable tester, identify faults in existing cables and indicate a low battery. Also, it includes a remote unit that allows one person to test installed cabling or patch cords. Moreover, these cable tester tools are used as the first line of defense in finding connection and wire pairing faults. The Fluke Networks CiqAIT Cable IQ Network Cable Tester Kit with Tone Generator is designed to maximize the efficiency of any cable qualification job. Use the included ATone 200 probe to find cables quickly and definitively, even on active networks. You can use the included 6 smart cable IDs to perform a high volume of qualification tests in a short period of time. Also, each quick ID can perform a simple wire map test or a full qualification test. Besides, up to 7 qualification tests can be achieved without returning to the patch panel, and the rugged carry case can be used to port tools from one job to another easily. Also, it quickly reveals whether a link, including patch cords, is qualified for voice, 10/100 base-T, VoIP, or gig. Unlike other cable testers that show a series of numbers for a wire map, this unit displays an easy-to-read graph with distance to faults proportional to the cable length. It also identifies breaks and shorts by pin rather than by pair, and reduces the time to locate and troubleshoot a poorly terminated jack or a break in the middle of the cable. Holding the first place among the list of best network cable testers, we have the Fluke Networks MS2-100 cable tester. It features built-in ATone digital and analog toning to precisely locate virtually any cable or wire pair, regardless of the work environment. You can use digital mode to determine high-grade data cabling in bundles or at switches, patch panels, or wall outlets. Also, you can use the analog method on voice-grade cabling, as well as coax, security/alarm, and speaker wiring. Besides, it offers a large backlit LCD of cable tester, which makes results crystal clear whether in bright sunshine or a dark closet. Moreover, it provides a rubber wraparound holster that makes it the right tool for even the toughest of jobs. Plus, this cable tester now comes standard with a vinyl carry pouch for enhanced protection and convenience. You can detect the presence of POTS voltage and verify polarity. Verify powered 10/100/1000 Ethernet switches at the far end, or confirm proper PoE voltage and pairs. Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.